Hey, this is Kathleen from oldworldfarmhouse.com, and today I wanted to figure out what to do if you have waxed floors. We live in an old house and it has beautiful wood floors all over, all different kinds, and they are all waxed. So, how do you take care of them? When we first moved in, I thought I could just get a product like this. Quick and easy, liquid gold, yay! And then you read the back, and it says right here, do not use Floor Restore on unsealed, unfinished, waxed, or oiled floors. Full disclosure, I have put that stuff on the floors and products like it in the past, but I don't want to continue because I think it contributes to the dullness and gloppiness of them over time. So I was looking for other solutions, and I read several different places on a florist forum and also at bobvila.com that you could go over the floors with mineral spirits. Today I am going to give that a try. I'm going to go over these floors with mineral spirits and see if it helps. As you can see, the floors are in good condition, but they are very scratched and they are very dull. And we are in a phase in our life with everything else we have to do in the house, and I'm sure that you can relate, where if we could just get them to look shiny, we just wouldn't worry about them at all. You know, we're just not in a place where we could refinish. We just want them to look nice, or as nice as possible. And right now, I don't think they do. I think they look dull. You might be wondering, how do I even know what's on my floors? How do I know if they're waxed? Well, the easiest way to tell is to take a little bit of water and drop it onto your floor. Just a little bit. And then wait. If your floors are waxed, water after it dries will leave a milky white haze like this. This is the kind of white discoloration you're going to see if you have wax on your floors. There was an umbrella stand here that probably had a leaky bottom. And you can see, if I can get my camera to focus, that it's this. There we go. It just puts this, it looks like you accidentally painted, but actually it's not. It's just what happens, I guess, when the water interacts with the wax. I have attached just a paper towel to this Swiffer head because I want to be able to throw these away afterwards, because mineral spirits is flammable and you can't wash rags that have mineral spirits on them. So I just want to get rid of it. So what I'm going to do is take the mineral spirits out of here, and I'm just going to, on the paper towel, even on the floor a little bit. I'm hoping that this can clear up the cloudiness of my floor. So yeah, it's cloudy, and it's supposed to be able to just clear away the grime that's in the wax that's sitting on top of the floor. The floor is dry now, so let's take a look at the results. It's definitely cleaner. I can tell that there's some kind of grayish haze that's gone, and it's brought up some of the wood grain again that we couldn't see before. I guess my expectations were a little unrealistic. I was hoping it would give a glossy sheen, but why? That doesn't even make any sense. So I think as far as it went, cleaning the floor with mineral spirits was a great idea. Or as helping you out, if you're watching this because you're looking for solutions, I would say wiping down the floor with mineral spirits is very easy, and it definitely lifts some grime, and I would totally recommend it. So go for it. Maybe your floors are in better shape than mine, and it'll make an even bigger difference for you. I hope this video was helpful to you if you're looking for solutions to get your wood floors clean and shiny. If you liked it, could you please help me out by giving me a thumbs up there down below? And please check out my blog at oldworldfarmhouse.com for more resources on old houses, French, English, and Swedish country styles. Thanks.